皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the biggest beginner traps in Japanese pronunciation, long vowels. In Japanese, stretching a vowel is not emphasized. It can change the word completely. Getting this right makes your Japanese sound more natural and avoids awkward misunderstandings. Listen closely and shadow with me. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, keep this in your head. Japanese rhythm uses Mora, tiny beats. Each vowel is one Mora. A long vowel is two More. Also, and small tsu count as one Mora. Listen carefully to these words. おばさん、おばさん、four More. おばあさん、おばあさん、five More. Hear the difference. The second one holds for one extra beat. The extra beat is the difference between おばさん and or middle-aged woman and おばあさん grandmother or elderly woman. Let's train your ear. Listen and then shadow with me. おじさん、おじいさん、おじさん、おじいさん、おじさん、おじいさん。世界、正解、世界、正解、世界、正解。鳥、鳥、鳥、鳥、鳥、鳥。雪、勇気、雪、勇気、雪、勇気。来て、聞いて、来て、聞いて、来て、聞いて。ここ、ここ、ここ、ここ、ここ、ここ。Now, let's talk about why this matters for sounding natural in Japanese. Take 先生. In Hiragana, it's せんせい, せんせい. You might try to say it as 先生, 先生. But in everyday conversation, it's a long e, like 先生, 先生. When an e vowel kana, such as け、せ、て、ね, is followed by I or e, it realizes as a long e in everyday conversation. You will hear the same pattern in 英語、英語。丁寧、丁寧。お姉さん、お姉さん。Okay, so how do you notice long vowels in each word? It's actually easy. Watch for these common spelling patterns that signal a long vowel. I will show you, then you shadow. When you see a vowel kana plus a, it becomes long a. お母さん、お母さん。倍、倍。把握、把握。When you see I vowel kana plus I, it becomes a long I. かわいい、かわいい。おいしい、おいしい。黄色、黄色。When you see vowel kana plus it becomes long u. 留学、留学。週末、週末。有名、有名。When you see o vowel kana plus or o, it becomes long o. 東京、東京。高校、高校。大きい、大きい。And in Katakana, the long bar, 超音符, simply lengthens the previous vowel. コーヒー、コーヒー。ミーティング、ミーティング。ゲーム、ゲーム。That's it for today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next video. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in my future videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming video. ではまた。